Let's wait a second. Today we're playing silly defense. Play here. I'm just solo. Fish. Yeah. Okay. Easy mode. Let's start now. Doctor. So yeah, my game's a bit laggy. I think we need more. Okay, so they're speedy enemies. They're like speedy. So you can upgrade them, not me upgrade my back. And oh, we got a lot of money. They are still grab and quick. Now he has a skateboard on his back. Outside the map. Mr. Silly, another new nemesis. Twice in a row will I think you would deal with those trample. I think you need to upgrade this guy. I think this guy needs more upgrading. Just keep it since I'm so confident. You look at them, who even thought letting use waste into the battle was a good idea. Acid waste. So these guys, I'm already a pro at tower defense. Now, bro, he's literally one-shotting them. You can place them not here. You can rotate them. If I have thumbnail idea, I can just do this. Just hide the UI. Like how. It's getting interesting. We need more guys ASAP. so confident I must skip it. So this is like Bloons tower defense, except for a dart monkey. These guys are darters. Oh god, the Drabby's boss right there. Ready to run. Have to hold it. Those are too big. 5 HP, I think we're doing like great. Can we actually solo this? What's this? Acid bomb. What's this? With shields. These guys. Guys, this game is actually pretty well made. You should go check this out. It's called Silly Defense. There's more Drabby boss. By the way, we are still at wave 9. Oh. Rain. Massive precipitation amount inbound. Towers now. So currently it is raining. And my towers I think. What's this guy? I don't know, bro, but I think they give a buff or a debuff. I'm not really sure. And now these guys are still the same. Yeah, pass it. So I'm gonna skip until the final wave, or if anything new shows up. New. Oh wait, they have eyes. You see that? How about you use those skateboards and angle them through it on their ankles? They're still letting you somehow pass. Okay, so liquefied goo is somehow alive. You considering these were just acid. Quick boss. Okay, so a quick boss just arrived, and also some liquid goo. Oh, wait, no, acid goo. Wait, no, acid liquid. I mean, yeah. So yeah, those two showed up. So I just ended up like stacking up a lot. What's there right there? Haha, as expected, a faster version of that old Destiny Pass. These games don't... What is bro? This new boss. Acid boss. And yep, that's basically it. And the time shards. The rain just ended. And yep, that's it. So I'm gonna skip to the final wave. I don't know what wave is the final wave, but let's just see. There's nothing new that showed up. There's still like a lot of these. Oh my god, the acid bus just exploded. Okay, don't mind me, I'm just stacking more of these guys. So like there's a new guy called Acid Poe. Wow, look at this guy. What's his name? Look at my army. Oh my god. Aboriginal. Okay. They need to place even more. I'll check back in later. So he just said he heard like large footsteps. Other enemies coming. Although I suppose he's weak in the beginner's mode. Can't really okay, so I'm gonna pass. Oh, looks like the magazine is responsible for acid creatures' players coming on the field himself. Oh no, haha, here in the lobby with a trophy or a scar. So we win this the final wave. Actually doing pretty good. Now we either need to make more. Black 19. Oh, they just killed a lot. So we need to just somehow focus on these guys and not like mess up. And yep, this is a quick GG's, yes, guys, pretty easy. It's gonna be it for our first Triumph! Let's go! We've been playing survival player count 1